Mix mouthwash with dish soap for this amazing kitchen hack. Over time, cooking leaves behind layers of stubborn grease on pans, plates, and cooking tools. Oils heat up, break down, and slowly stick to surfaces, creating a thick, sticky residue that regular dish soap often struggles to fully remove. No matter how hard you scrub, that greasy film can stay behind, leaving dishes looking cloudy, streaky, and never truly clean. Instead of using harsh chemicals or wasting time scrubbing, I'll show you a simple trick that boosts the power of your regular dish soap using something you probably already have in your bathroom: mint mouthwash. Start by pouring a small amount of mouthwash directly into your dish soap bottle. You don't need much. Just a few tablespoons are enough. Close the bottle and gently shake it to mix everything well. Now, use this mixture just like your normal dish soap. Apply it to greasy pans, oily plates, and stained cooking tools. As you scrub, you'll notice how the grease starts breaking down faster and rinses away more easily. The alcohol in the mouthwash helps cut through thick oil, while the fresh mint leaves your dishes smelling clean and fresh. For stubborn stains, let the soap sit on the surface for 1 to 2 minutes before scrubbing. This gives the mixture time to loosen hardened grease and lift it away. Once you rinse, your dishes will look brighter, feel squeaky clean, and be completely free of greasy residue. I hope this tip helps make your kitchen cleaning faster and easier. Save it so you can use this powerful grease-cutting trick whenever you need it.